wrestling didn't work though.
There we go.
I go.
Hey Mike, I seen what you
Are we good? Is it recording?
Scout leader.
Hey, Mike.
Robert, you got that?
It's recording.
Take one, pass him back. All right, everybody look. This is your conjunction rules and identification sheet. We are going to focus just on coordinating conjunctions. There's three kinds. We have coordinating, subordinating, and adverbial. All right? Everybody write your name on this. You're going to use this sheet for a long time. If you lose it, I'll give you another one. So, you'll see right here, it says conjunction rules, right? And then you have punctuation and identification. This shows you how to punctuate them. Down below, it shows you how to identify them, okay? Now, we're doing just coordinating. See, it says coordinating here and coordinating there. And then beneath it, it says subordinating and adverbial. We're going to do those later. Coordinating conjunctions only. So, coordinating conjunctions. All right, if you read right there, go down to identification first, right down here on this sheet. It says, they are 3 letters or less and begin with a letter from the acronym FANBOYS, right? FANBOYS, FANBOYS.
What's that stand for again?
I'll show you.
I think it's right on my paper.
Oh, yes.
Wow. Boom. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Note, there is no T in FANBOYS, so the word then can never be placed between 2 independent clauses preceded by a comma. We'll get to that. It's just for the rule. That's like the most misused one. Yeah, it is. This rule is really easy. So, coordinating. So, coordinating conjunctions. There's only 7 of them. There's 7 coordinating conjunctions, no more. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. FANBOYS. Right? Remember that. Now, punctuating them. If they are placed, and that's right up here, top of the sheet. If they are placed between 2 independent clauses, we learned about clauses, right? Independent clauses, they can stand, those are the ones that they can stand on their own, right? If they are placed between 2 independent clauses, they must be preceded by a comma. So, if there's 2 independent clauses, and one of those, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so, in between them, they need to be preceded by a comma. If one of those clauses is not independent, if one of them is subordinate, then no comma is necessary, unless you want to show contrast, okay? So note, the exception is in the case of contrast. If the coordinating conjunction shows a contrast, and some of those coordinating conjunctions won't, like and usually doesn't show contrast. Which are the coordinating conjunctions? Now think about it. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. Which one would show contrast? But, right. All of them can, but usually, but is shows contrast. Like you change direction, right? Or nor, or for, and, nor, but, or, yet. Yet's another one, okay? That shows contrast. So if you look, basically you do this. You're reading this sentence, right? Example, Cletus always studied hard, and he earned high grades. So you see the word and in there, right? And you go, oh, that's one of the FANBOYS. That's a coordinating conjunction. And is a coordinating conjunction. It's right there. It starts with an A. It's 3 letters or less, okay? Cletus always studied hard, and he earned high grades. So you look to the left of the and. You go, and it says, Cletus always studied hard. Is that an independent clause? Is that a sentence? Can it stand on its own? Yeah, you could put a period there, all right? That's an independent clause. He earned high grades. Is that an independent clause? Yeah, it is. Therefore, you have to put a comma before it. Boom. You got independent clause, independent clause. Now, if you... Thank you. Take one of these.
Did you sound noise, man?
If you look at the example number 2 here. All right? Cletus always studied hard and earned high grades. Okay? You go, oh, there it is. It's a coordinating conjunction. I know it is. It's a FANBOY. And is a coordinating conjunction. Then you look to the left of it. And it says, Cletus always studied hard. This is the same as it was here. We already determined that that's an independent clause, right? Cletus always studied hard. That's an independent clause, just like this one. But look over here. Earned high grades. Is that an independent clause? No. That's subordinate. We took the subject away, right? There's no subject on this side. So earned high grades is not an independent clause. Therefore, no comma is necessary. Everybody got that? All right, we'll practice. Now, I didn't hand out the practice sheet yet. I got a practice sheet. Should I give you the... Yeah. I'll give you the little one. I'll give you the big one for homework. 2, 3, 4. Oh, take one, pass them back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Take one, pass one back. Robert, you. 2, 3.
How's your day going, Mr. Bird?
Thank you.
Yeah, I do. I kind of came to garbage yesterday. Oh,
Now look at this sheet. Coordinating conjunctions. Do you know them? So, in each of the following sentences, identify the coordinating conjunction and insert commas when appropriate. Okay? So, you find the coordinating conjunction in the sentence. Each one of these sentences has a coordinating conjunction. You look to the left of the coordinating conjunction and you read what's there. And you ask yourself, is that an independent clause? And then, is it a sentence? Can it be punctuated as a sentence? Then you look to the right of the coordinating conjunction and you ask yourself, is that an independent clause? Is that a sentence? Does it have a subject and a predicate? If your answer is yes on both sides, then you need to put a comma in. If one side is subordinate, then no comma is necessary. All right? So you need to do that right now. Just give it a go. It's easy. And for those of you watching the video, that's it. You need to complete this sheet, and we'll be doing the homework together in class. Thank you. Kill it, Robert.